Good evening, ladies. Welcome to our segment of emotional well-being, and today we bring across listening. Yes, ladies, listening is an art. Wise, learned, and knowledgeable leaders, personnel, listen carefully. They even listen to the unsaid words from the other party. They listen to their peers, staff at home, their family members, and others with a keen listening and kind heart. I said correctly, with a kind heart. You don't listen only with your ears, but you also listen through your heart. When you listen from your heart, that means you are being empathetic. You are being considerate at what the other person is saying. Careful and keen listening is especially important during business meetings because many managers and leaders act as though they are listening, but most of the time it is actually falling on deaf ears. Listening is an art. Yes, listening is an art, and after all, not everyone knows how to handle it properly. For example, जब मेरा बेटा मेरे पास आता है, मम्मी मेरे को आपसे कुछ बात करनी है, so I am like, and I am busy doing something, so I am like, okay fine बेटा, हाँ बोलो, मैं सुन रही हूँ. उसके बाद वो कहता है नहीं मम्मी मैं सुनूँ, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ. फिर मैं कहती हूँ हाँ बेटा मैं सुन रही हूँ जो तुम बोल रहे हो, बट उस वक्त मैं सुन रही होती हूँ सिर्फ कानों से. उसकी सिर्फ वॉइस आ रही होती है मेरे कानों में, दैट्स इट. उसने क्या कहा, कैसे कहा, मैंने उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं सुना. बट व्हेन आई गो बैक एंड व्हेन आई एम सिटिंग बैक अलोन, देन आई रियलाइज कि जो उसने कहा वो तो मैंने सुना ही नहीं. मैंने तो सिर्फ उसके कुछ वर्ड्स ही सुने थे जो कि वर ऐसे ही मैंने, इट फेल ऑन माई डेफ ईयर्स. So this is happening in everybody's life on a day-to-day basis, and today's kids are really very smart. They catch on to these vibes of ours like this very fast. They understand कि माँ ने तो सुना ही नहीं है, तो जो माँ को हमने बोल दिया उसको ने हाँ हमें कर दी है. So that's the problem. But if you master the art of listening, then you will improve your leadership skills, your relationship skills, as well as your business skills. A leader knows how to listen to and actually hear what the others are saying. God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth, not just like that. He had a purpose behind it. He knew that if we had 2 mouths and only 1 ear, we will never listen. अभी नहीं सुनते तो बाद में क्या सुनेंगे types. So that's why he was smarter than us. So that's why he gave us 2 ears to listen. हम कानों से ही नहीं, हम दिल से भी सुनते हैं. इसीलिए उसने हमें एक प्यार भरा दिल दिया जिससे कि हम सुन सकें जो हमें दूसरा बंदा बोल रहा है. It's very important to listen than to talk most of the time. How else will we all learn what needs to be done to improve a situation? Nobody stops growing and evolving in his or her business, and one of the only reason that you can actually perform well is by listening to others. Now, who is a powerful listener? A powerful listener is someone who is able to focus on what the other person is saying without getting distracted with their ego or a personal agenda. Being a powerful listener is critical for a leader because listening is a powerful tool. Are we losing the art of listening? Yes, we surely are. In my opinion, we have already lost it. We are on the verge of losing it. We only listen to answer back. We do not listen to actually grasp what the other person is saying or what the essence is being told to us. What is happening is that we are losing the ability to communicate effectively. The cycles within our society is run on our ability how we interact with each other well, sharing ideas, sharing opinions and experiences. But अगर हम सुनेंगे ही नहीं, अगर हम सभी बोल रहे होंगे, so there is no listener. Then no projects, no new ideas will ever be taking place. Only and only there will be talks. We should pay more attention to the world around us that can keep the sense of connection in the atmosphere. How many types of listening are there? In my eyes, there are about 3 types of listening. One is appreciative. Yes, you heard it correct. You, me, we all must appreciate. We must always pay our gratitude. We must always appreciate the person whosoever does anything good for us. It's important. Always appreciate your colleagues, your family members, your peers, and even the staff at your house. Empathetic. Be considerate. Be empathetic towards the circle of employees and family members. Be there for them, not only physically but also mentally. It is really very important and it is the need of the hour. Comprehensive listening. Comprehensive listening involves understanding the thoughts, ideas, and messages. If you can't understand the sound of the orator, you will not be able to interpret the language. You need to have the skill of comprehensive listening. This is a critical aspect in listening skills. So, ladies, thank you so much, and gentlemen, thank you so much for listening to me. Also, please, in the comments column, advise us how you are finding this new segment of emotional intelligence, and what are the other topics that you would like us to cover for you. We would love to hear from you. You can also subscribe to our page called Women Voyagers on Facebook. It's a pleasure to talk to you and interact with you on a ritual basis. Thank you so much for being there for us, and thank you for listening to us. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you.